Hey guys, it's Jen coming to you from the kitchen. I figured that I'd show you some juicing recipes today. So that's what we're about to do. One is more of a green juice and the other one has quite a few different things put in it. So you guys will watch me and see what I do, and yeah, let's get started. Look at those beautiful juices. Got the green juice, and then the multi-juice. It's got beets and carrots and celery, some cucumbers. What else does it have? Some grapefruit in it for sweetness. And the green juice has celery, cucumbers, and lime in it. I know that it sounds really intense, and the celery sometimes can be a little bit intense, but with that citrus from the lime, it's amazing. And honestly, I don't like beets any other way than juiced. I know that that sounds crazy. You'd think it was be way more intense, but the beet smoothie, amazing. Hey guys, I hope you like the juicing recipes that I did today. I will put all the ingredients in the description below. So if you're interested, check that out. If you enjoyed what you saw, got something out of it, hit that like button and subscribe to us. We would really appreciate your guys' support. So as always, I hope you have a great day, no matter where you are.